Hi guys, this is the unboxing and review of MI portable electric air compressor with some highlighted features like preset pressure, small and convenient, built-in lithium battery that is 2000 mAh. Back of the box pack, these are written product name, air compressor, product model, battery capacity 2000 mAh, 14.8 Watt-hour. The MRP of the product is written here 3499, but I have got the product at 2000 rupees from Flipkart. Let's start the box without wasting time. Let's see what's in the box pack. You see, very compact packaging. This is the air compressor, black in color. Really portable. You can see nothing in the box pack. So this is the main unit, compressor. And these are user manual. You have to read this one to get the knowledge about this product. And some, you see here, one pouch for carrying this air compressor and some nozzles. You know, these are the adapters for inflating different type of items like bike, bicycle, cars. You can see here two adapters are there, one in black color and one is narrow, long. The black color adapter is known as the Presta valve. Now this is the micro USB cable for charging the device. The carrying pouch is really convenient for carrying the product, and it also contains one small pocket for carrying the adapters and micro USB cable in it. You can see here in this way. Weight, that is the mass of this tire inflator is 0.43 kg, that is 430 gram. Once again, this is 430 gram. Now come to the top of the compressor. When you just open the air hose, automatically the display will be switched on. You can see here. Build quality and designs are really premium, looks good, sturdy also. There are total 4 buttons. You can see here. These are the operational button to control this device. These are the air vents. Air vents are given left and right hand side of this compressor. So when you again push it into this, it will be switched off automatically. So extra power button has not been given by the company. So totally this is automatic. Inbuilt LED can be operated by pressing the extreme left button. You can see here. Just press it. It will be switched on. So in this way. Now come to the bottom of this compressor. You can see here one notification light and one micro USB port for charging this device. You have to open this lid in this way. Now focus on the operational buttons. You can see here total 4 buttons. This is the mode button by which you can change the mode, bike mode, then car mode, then football, basketball mode, and this is manual mode. Pressing and holding the central button, you will be able to switch off and switch on the device. Again press and hold, it will be switched off. Press the central button for activating this inflator. For switching it off, press the central button once again. For charging the device conveniently, use power bank and the indicator light LED will blink slowly, white light. If the notification LED turns into red, that means it is low power signal. Now we will inflate this scooty tire by this inflator. For that you have to connect the other end of the air hose with the tire nozzle. After successful connection, the display will show the present pressure in the tire. You can see here this is 37 psi is the present pressure in the tire. Now select the suitable mode by the right extreme button. Here it will be bike mode. You can see here 45 is the preset value of the bike mode, and already the tire pressure is 37 psi. So when we start inflating, it will start from 37 and go to 45 psi and then stops automatically.